Hello friends, welcome back to the another important current affairs session from the state of Assam. That is for the day, that is 2nd November 2021. It would be really helpful for those who are preparing for states level examination and especially for the APSC examination. It would be really helpful session for those who are preparing for the APSC examination and other state level examination, as several current affairs questions from the state of Assam is being asked. So this session would be highly useful for a exam point of view. So today the first point of discussion is that the Boxing World Championship 2021. Shiva Thapa from Assam participated in it representing India, and he has already entered into the quarter final. He has already into the quarter final, and the 2021 AIBA World Boxing Championship resumed on 24th October 2021, and it is being held in which place, that is in Belgrade, Serbia. So this point would be important from the exam point of view, that it may be questions, or there may be a question from this section, that in which place the AIBA World Boxing Champion is being held, then answers will be Belgrade, Serbia. And so when we talk about the AIBA, then what another important point can be remembered and understood here. It was formed in 1946. It was formed in 1946. And what is the full form of AIBA? AIBA stands for International Boxing Association. International Boxing Association. International Boxing Association, or it is formally known as what? Association International de Boxer Amateur. Association International de Boxer Amateur, and preferably it is known as what? International Boxing Association. So when it was formed in 1946. So this is another point that comes out of this discussion. That is World Boxing Championship, and presently it is held in which place? That is Belgrade, Serbia. So this is important from the exam point of view. So our next point is that a rare species of wild rice, Oriza rupipogon. Oriza rupipogon has been discovered or found in which state, in which district of Assam? That is in the Sonitpur district of Assam. So rare species of wild rice, that is Oriza rupipogon, also known as the brown bird rice, was found in 2 hectares of land near Borjoli tea estate in the Assam Sonitpur district. So it may be important for exam point of view, that in which place of Assam or in which district of Assam a rare species of wild rice, that is Oriza rupipogon, is being found, and the correct answer will be Sonitpur district. And government of Assam to declare it as a biodiversity heritage site. So this is another important point that we need to remember out of the discussion. So here when we talk about Rofipogon, then the answer is it is a perennial tough grass which grows in shallow water. So it is a tolerant of flooding and acid soil, said Assam Biodiversity Board, that is officer, it is scientific officer Dr. Oinam Sunanda Devi. So here another important questions can be asked out of this, that what is Rofipogon, and also in also, another questions may be raised from here is that origin of Pipogon, a rare species of wild rat, is found in which district of Assam? That is the Sonitpur district of Assam, in which tea estate near the Borjoli tea estate. So these points are to be highlighted in our mind or remembered from the exam point of view. Let's move on to the next point. Move on to the next point, that Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh, the new additional Director General of Assam Rifle. So, new additional Director General of Assam Rifle is being appointed to whom? Being appointed to Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh. So this is another important point that we need to remember out of it. And on Monday, it took charge as an additional Director General of Assam Rifles. So here another point we can discuss over here, that Assam Rifle is founded in which year? Assam Rifle is founded in 1835. It was founded in 1835. These questions is asked most of the examination most of the state examination, that in which year the Assam Rifle is being founded, that is in the year 1835, and it is said that it is the oldest paramilitary force of the Indian Army. Assam Rifle is the oldest paramilitary force of Indian Army. Oldest paramilitary force of Indian Army. This question is very very important. And when we talk about the motto of Assam Rifle, that is the Sentinels of the Northeast. The motto of the Assam Rifle is Sentinel of the Northeast. So these questions is asked most of the time in the Assam state level examinations. That what is the motto of Assam Rifle? The correct answer is Sentinels of the Northeast, and it was founded in which year? It is 1835. And another question from here may be asked that what is the oldest paramilitary force of Indian Army? The correct answer will be Assam Rifle. So from this section, several questions may be expected from the exam point of view. So let's move on to the election result. That Assam by-election result is already been declared in the five constituencies, that is Thaura, Gosaigaon, Tamulpur, Bhawanipur, and Moreni. And this election is being captured by whom? Being captured by BJP and its ally, that is UPPPL. They have won all five seats in the recently concluded Assam by-election, that is 2021. And from Thaura, that is in Sibsagar, Sushanta Borgohain is being elected. From Gosaigaon, Jiron Busumandar is being elected. Tamulpur, Jalandoi Mari, Bhavanipur, Fonidhar Talukdar, and from Morani, Rupjoti Kurmi has won. So these five constituencies I have discussed in my previous video about the Assam by-election and anti-defection law. You can have the video, or you can have a bit information from there as well. That Thaura district, these Thaura constituencies come under which district? That is Sibsagar district, and from here Susanta Borgohain is being elected, and Gosaingaon, then Tamulpur, this comes under the BTD areas, Bhavanipur, Morioni. So Morioni comes under the Jorhat district. So in these five constituencies, always the BJP and its ally group, that is CPPL, has won the five seats. So at the end, let's take some questions here. At the end, we can have some questions. Then, where was the AIBA World Boxing Championship held? Then the answer will be Belgrade, Serbia. Belgrade, Serbia. This question may be important from the exam point of view. That is for the session 2000 for the year 2021. So second question: in which district of Assam rare species of wild rice, that is Oryza rufipogon, was found? Then the correct answer will be Sonitpur district of Assam. The third questions may be: name the new additional director general of Assam Rifle, that is Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh. So these are the few points. These are the few points I have highlighted today in this session, especially from for the Assam correspondence sections. Hope we all will be benefited out of. So thank you for watching, and if you like my effort, please do subscribe Neverty GK. Thank you.